Hi, this is a YouTube video for OAuth verification. We did a couple of videos before, but it looked like you felt that the demo video wasn't detailed enough, and it does not show how the requested scope was used, although I did make an attempt last time to explain it. What I'm going to do this time is to provide you a different explanation, but hopefully that satisfies it. And you also wanted a side-by-side screen of showing how everything sort of works. So that's what we'll try to do. So I'm going to use two different email accounts. So this is this email called John at gettimely.email, or J. And let's use this one here, which is S. Srinath. And yeah, I'm happy to do a demo right now. So a few things first is you will see that there's a timely side panel here. So you can click on it and there is an inbox. So first of all, let me also just explain that it's impossible to render this without a gmail.read-only scope. This is the inbox that's decorated with timely action and due dates. That's why we need it. The other reason is, of course, any of these notifications that we send that's related to the email. The way we know that this email is due is also because we need gmail.read-only. But instead of trying to confuse you with multiple use cases, let me just stick to one, which is just this inbox. And we're going to render this inbox with gmail.read-only scope. And this is the primary inbox, and that's the timely inbox. So we do not have that here right now. And the reason we don't have it is because we do not have timely installed yet. So that's what we're going to do first step. And I'm redoing the step because we went a couple of weeks trying to figure out there was some difficulty with you installing the extension. It should be straightforward. So one of two things that you can do, and maybe both in combination. So right now, obviously, it's installed. So firstly, this should not be gray. It should be green if all is good. And secondly, if you click on it, it should basically reload the whole page and start the OAuth consent screen. If for whatever reason it reloads the page, does not give you the OAuth consent screen, and I don't know why it would not, but let's assume it did not, then all that you would need to do is just reload the entire page, and that should be good enough as well. Also, the first time you load the extension, it opens a new tab, and it shows the entire Gmail. It opens entire Gmail, starts the OAuth consent screen as well. You don't have to close that email. So the first time you install it, it should automatically open a new tab, go to Gmail, pop this consent screen up. So anyway, so this time let's just go through the consent screen. Last time I already walked you through the fact that this was the right URL, and if you needed, I'm happy to show it back again. But but it's 442. 4766712. That should be the right one. So we're going to go to John. Obviously, app isn't verified. We'll go through this. We're going to talk about gmail.read-only as you have requested, specifically asked for the fact that we want to do the scope, gmail.read-only, and so that's what we're going to do. So once the extension is loaded, you should see an icon like this right up on top. So you see that icon. So that basically means the extension is, of course, loaded and for this user. Let me dismiss these notifications. So let me compose an email. I'm going to send it to Srinath, and that's this person here. And I'm going to say, OAuth video. I'm going to say, hey Srinath, can you please complete the OAuth consent screen verification today? So notice that as we type this email, we automatically decorated this email with an action type and time. As mentioned in the previous video, these you can change to different action types or different times. But for today, we'll just keep it as it is. Notice that the time is 5 p.m., that when this email is expecting the recipient to complete the action today, which we've already passed. It's 6:50 p.m. today. So when I send this email, this task is already overdue. So what we'll see is on this timely inbox here, there's a set of overdue tasks. There's a set of important tasks for today. There's a set of important for this week, and there's others. Right now, everything is empty except for overdue, which contains three things. So what we're going to do is we're going to send this email. It takes a little bit of time for the email to come through. At some point in time, the email is going to come through. It takes a little bit of time, of course, because the email is sent to the Gmail servers. Then we use gmail.read-only to then repopulate it back here. But as you can see, the email is in Srinath's inbox. And once you open the email, you have these action and ownership information on the right side. But that's less important for at least this demo. The main idea is you need gmail.read-only to even just render this whole thing. And in fact, this notification, like I mentioned before, also requires gmail.read-only, but let's not worry about that. So this is the inbox. This is the subset of the primary inbox, which contains these timely annotated emails, so that we're using to track. So when you go to this inbox, it's impossible to render this if you cannot read the emails, and so that's how we render this page. That includes the sender, that includes the subject line, that includes the snippet, all of it, time it was sent, and so on. Yeah, so there are, again, many other reasons why we need it, but just to keep things simple, that's how we need it. Yeah, hope that helps. Thanks so much.